Hello everyone. The distance between A 1 comma 3 and B A comma 7 is 5 units. The possible values of A are what? So here the distance between A B is given as 5. So find out square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 5. Right. So what is x1 y1? 1 comma 3. x2 y2 is equal to a comma 7. Substitute the values. A minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square is equal to 5. So transpose the square to RHS, then we will get a minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 3 square is 4 square equal to 5 square. So a minus 1 whole square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. So 5 square means 25 minus 4 square is 16, we'll get 9. So a minus 1 whole square is equal to 9. When a minus 1 is equal to square root of 9, that equal to plus or minus 3. If a minus 1 equal to 3, a minus 1 equal to minus 3. So here a minus 1 equal to 3 means a is equal to 4. A minus 1 equal to minus 3 means a is equal to minus 2. So therefore the values of a are 4 or minus 2. Option A is the right answer. Thank you.